just wanna feel alive.
So this is the lavery, and lavery in French means laundry, and laundry where we wash clothes. चल. Oh God, हे बघ सुदीप. Hi everyone, so you can see behind how it is very cold and foggy. In fact, look at the fog. It's very cold. Can you see? This is on the other side. I can't see anything. So basically, just 2 days before it snowed, and after that it's like very cold. So today it's a little bit different vlog. Actually we are going to my friend's place. Just take it out. We are going to my friend's place. She's old and her washing machine has, I don't know what happened to her washing machine. So today is a different vlog because we are just heading to my friend's place. She's old and actually her washing machine is not working, so she asked us for help, so we are going to help her. And so I thought, why not to show you all how, if you don't have a washing machine and if your apartment is like not well equipped with the washing machine or anything, so you can still take your like clothes to wash here nearby the lavery. So I will share that today, like how in France there is a system to wash the clothes in a common washing machine area. I thought I'll share it because it might be useful to the students or to the new people who are shifting here, and even if their apartment is not equipped with the washing machine. So I hope it will be helpful for you. Time to pull up the mask now. I'll see you in some time. Mouth, Sudeep, are you taking the... That is a bag for... That is a bag of clothes to wash. So we are walking towards the common laving machine. So Sudeep and me, we are heading. So we are heading towards the common washing machine area. I'll show you. Come with us. संपले. चिंटू, तुझं स्वेटर धुवायला टाकूया. Huh? We'll throw your sweater also to wash. Okay. Can you please tell while you're so that it will be helpful for other students and those who don't know.
Don't have to add anything.
So you don't have to add the detergent, right?
So machine number 1.
Thank you, Rose charge.
Yes, so ours is the machine number 1. So I'm choosing the machine number 1.
So this is the area for payment. This is the coins where you can put 1-2 euros coin. Only money, okay? Like, let me focus, wait. So this is the 1 euro, 2 euro, 50 cent, 20 cent and 10 cent. Only money you can pay. And this is the area. So Sudeep will tell us. Yeah.
You can insert the notes as well, 5 euro, 10 euro, 20 euro, or you can pay by card.
Okay, so there is an option either by coins, either by 5 euro, 10 euro and 20 euros, or with the card.
Okay, so I'm
So you're going to
selecting the washing, and R is washing machine number 1,
number 1.
and I'm paying by card.
So he's paying by card.
Okay, so the machine is starting.
So now the machine automatically will start once your payment is done. It will start automatically. So here, so yeah, the machine has started. Once you do the payment, so here in this common washing area, there are like 5 washing machines, and so it has started. You can see. So lavage means to wash and sécher means to dry. So here we are at the common washing machine area, and where they wash clothes. So in India usually we have this dhobi system where you can give your clothes and they will wash, dry it and even iron it and give. So here in France it is my first time, and I think it's because of my friend only we came here. Otherwise we do have a washing machine in our home to wash our clothes, but since my friend's washing machine is not working, she is old, so we thought of helping her and we got her clothes here. So yeah, I think this video, I hope it will be helpful for you all, those who are new, those who are students, those who are coming new to France or in Europe. So how is the washing system here in France, where at a common washing machine area you can wash your clothes here. And even for the new families who are coming, and if their apartments are not equipped with a washing machine and all, many times when you're taking an apartment, it's not furnished or not well equipped with all these things. So yeah, this is a place where you can wash clothes. Washing clothes is, I think, a big tedious job for everyone. So yeah, I hope this vlog will be helpful for you all, and especially for the students. Yeah. So when I was a student and I was staying in our hostel, we didn't have this washing machine facilities in India, at least in our when I was doing my medicine. So we all the girls, not everyone but most of them, like we used to collect our clothes and then we used to wash it weekly. I'm sure this same thing happens in every hostels. We used to wash it every Sunday. Like we used to collect our clothes, and me, my best friends, my room partners, we used to wash them on like Sundays when we had a holiday to our college. So I think this same thing in India. This is the thing. But Sudeep, what is your experience? Sudeep has studied here in France, and as a student life. So where did you wash clothes? I think I've never asked him.
I used to wash clothes like this.
Yeah?
Like
You-
this station. Yeah. But at that time it was a little different.
Like-
Now it's all automated. Like it includes automatically
Okay.
powder or the liquid.
Okay.
But at our time we used to carry the soap with us to include the
Okay.
liquid soap or the powder soap to include in the machines.
Okay. So now he says it is automatic, and I think there is some evolution.
Yes.
Because you don't have to carry your detergent sachets or powders or anything. So it's all included in the washing machine area. I mean itself in the washing machine. So yeah. And how was your experience when you used to wash clothes in your student time?
On Sundays.
Yeah, me too. I think if you also are students and if you are watching this and if you also wash clothes on Sundays when you have a holiday, please comment below, let me also know. And yeah, Sudeep, what is your advice to all the students coming to France? Because not every hostel or has this facility for washing clothes here.
Now in hostels as well they have the common area like this where
Okay.
you can like you can wash the clothes and then you can dry the clothes. So they have the dryers as well.
Okay, so students don't
they have it.
they have it in the hostel.
Yes.
Okay, so that's great.
But it's paid. Like, everywhere it's paid.
Everywhere it is paid, yeah. So maybe for students it must be less.
No, it's the same price.
It's the same price. So basically, even many families and everyone, those who like they don't have the washing machine, they can come here. They can wash their clothes here. Many people they come here, and this is my own first time when I'm coming, and it's because of my friend actually. So it's a little different experience. I remember some of in my hostel they used to give their clothes to Dhobi. So he will wash, he will dry it, iron it and give. But for me, I always loved washing clothes on Sundays. That was little stress free and something to do, and I like to do my own things. So in the hostel, at least we had we used to even chat. When I was in hostel, we had this what do you say? While washing clothes, we used to listen loud music, and we used to wash clothes and chat. So it was fun actually living in the hostel and washing clothes together, then drying the clothes together. We had a lot of chit chats, and then even sometimes we used to revise our subjects or studies when we are drying our clothes, and yeah. So that so the charges are like 5 euros for 9 kgs. So yeah, that is the charge, and I'm not sure about the fidelity card, but yeah, 5 euro is for the 9 kgs clothes. And yeah, it's very easy actually. You need to have money or the coins or the rupees, or you need to pay it by your card bancaire. So So you can see 7 minutes are remaining for the wash. So the total timing for washing the clothes here in the common washing machine area is 28 minutes just for washing. And as I told you that 9 kilos of clothes is for 5 euros. And for drying the clothes, I actually forgot to tell initially, it is 13 kgs of clothes you can dry for
1.5 euros.
yes, €1.50. So this is the charge, separate charge for drying your clothes.
And it's not compulsory, it's optional. You can dry it here or you can take home.
Yeah, so people can wash it and just dry it in their home. And, yeah. What would you prefer?
So you dry here and then.
Yeah, our friend wants it that we'll dry. Actually, they are old, they're very old. So yeah, it's not possible for them. So yeah, so this is better, like drying it here. And especially in winters, now actually, if you see in the starting of my vlog, it's very foggy, wintry, and just 3 days back it snowed heavily. So chances of drying is very less, like the clothes. So it's better to dry out here like this. In fact, in our home, what washing machine we have, once you put the clothes inside, you just have to add the detergent, it will wash itself and it will dry in the same chamber itself. So you just have to take out the dried clothes and put it just for more drying actually. Yeah, but here in this washing machine it is different. You have to take it out from that washing machine and put it into a dryer. So yeah, the charges are different. I'll show you. So yeah, here there are different laundries where in some areas it's automatic and some you can get the detergent, the liquid detergent, the powder detergent and a special detergent to wash your sweaters etc. or woolen clothes, and you can pay it right there. So the rates are different in every laundry. Also you can see that there are the coffee machines and where you can buy a coffee or tea or some hot chocolate, and also there is where you can buy a Coca-Cola or soft drinks, and the prices of course different in every laundry of this coffee as well as the price of detergents. So you can see these are the 5 washing machine area things, and these 2 are for drying. This one and this one is for drying, 6 and 7 number. So if you see the number 5, the 5 one, this is the largest one. So you see the price is also different, 18 kg, 2.5 euros, and this is 9 kg. For 5 euro. So in this bigger one, you can wash your quilts and all. So it's done. So this is the high temperature, you can see. Yeah.
Then we need to pay and then start.
Okay, this is already loaded. We have selected the temperature here, and now we are going to pay. So now you can see session means to dry. This is the 2 chambers are there. So our clothes are in 6. Szechuan is to dry here. So you can see the charge is 1.50 euros. And we have done the payment by the card bancaire. That is where our clothes are drying. So you can see just 2 minutes are remain for our clothes to get dry. Total it takes 9 minutes. 9 minutes to dry. So it's almost done now. It's almost 1 minute and it's done. Happy? Happy? तुझं स्वेटर धुया बाळा ह्याच्यात. तुझं स्वेटर पण घालूया ना ह्याच्यात धुवायला. घालूया. झोप आली ग पिलाला माझ्या. खुंजा सिम सिम. अरे खुली रे. खुंजा सिम सिम. एवा वाला. Clothes are ready. They are washed and dried. And now we'll fold them and take to our friends. So hope you like this video of the common washing machine area, and if you like it, do give a like, thumbs up, comment below when you wash your clothes also. And share with your friends. If you are new, your students, and if you like it, please share it. And until next time, I'm going to see you all in my next vlog. Till then, take care. And take care, be safe, take care of your health, be positive, and I'm going to see you all in my next vlog. Till then, keep making lots of beautiful